Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you two back to school niches that I found that are starting to trend and sell well. So, right now, the back to school niche is selling very well, obviously, because kids are going back to school here at the end of August, beginning of September. The first niche that I have for you is this phrase right here where it says, "Oh, hey, first grade." That's the first niche. The reason I like this niche, one, because it's low in competition, but it can be very easily scaled up. You can do, oh, hey, kindergarten, preschool, first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, etc. When we take a look at this niche, we'll see there's only 603 results at the time of this recording. And when we look at the BSRs, we're going to see that they're very low. So we got 86, 66,000, 631. So these designs are selling very well. When you look at when these designs were uploaded, you're going to see it says June 9th, July 9th, May 17th, June 24th. So for the most part, you can see that these were recently uploaded within the last month or so. And a lot of them have very good BSRs. The type of designs that people are using are obviously the boho rainbow is very popular. You're also going to have the wavy retro text. This is also a very popular style where you have just like a simple font with like a leopard on just the side of the font like this. When we look at the trademark on test, you see here, oh hey, first grade, we hit enter, we're going to see that nothing pops up. The competition on Etsy is quite low. So we'll see here, oh hey, first grade, we're going to see that's an auto-suggested keyword, so that's a good start, and there's only 654 results. Competition on Redbubble, a little higher than I would like, but still fairly low, 1,200. Competition on TeePublic is also very low as well. But so yeah, a good niche to get into. Low competition. This back to school is selling very well and pretty easy to make. You can just do something wavy like this. It's just a text design, maybe add in a rainbow, get creative, do something similar. And then the second niche is this one right here where it's mistakes help us grow. So this is the second niche in the back to school niche. And so right here you're going to see that at the time of this recording there's only 967 results. And these were also uploaded, you can see here June 28th, June 28th, all pretty much June 28th. Let's see what else we have here. So yes, all just recently uploaded. And BSRs are also doing very well. So here we're going to see 351, 639. Here's another one, 494. So this is the second niche right here. When we go to test to see if this is trademarked, and we hit enter, we're going to see that nothing pops up. And the competition on the other platforms, when we take a look at Etsy right here, mistakes help us grow shirt. I think this was also an auto-suggested keyword. Let me just double check. Yeah, there it is right there. And the competition is only 278, so a little lower than the last one. Let's take a look at Redbubble, 794. Okay, that looks good. And then on TeePublic, I think it was so low. I mean, there's only like 3 designs. I just had to take advantage of the opportunity there, and I just uploaded a design real quick onto TeePublic because I saw there's only looks like 2 results for this niche. So that's the competition. If you want, you can go to Vexels and you get some boho rainbows like this, get some sunflowers, get some type of some clip art, some graphics that you can use for your designs. But these are the 2 niches or designs that I have for you today. They are going to be oh hey first grade. Remember, you can scale that up to any grade, 2nd, 3rd, 4th grade. It's probably also going to be low in competition. And then the second one is going to be mistakes help us grow. So get your designs up before it gets too oversaturated. Try and do something similar or be creative, come up with something unique. All right, so I hope you guys like this video. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Click the bell so that you don't miss a video, so that you get notified. Usually I try and upload them around 1 p.m. My time. But yeah, so if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Check out my most recent or latest video. It should be right above where my finger is or something like that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, take care. Bye-bye.